FEFDY.
Hi kids! Today I'm going to tell you the story Prevention is Better Than Cure. Let's dive right in. Once upon a time in a sunny village called Brightland, there existed a big lake and a little stream that flew out of it. The lake was home to many creatures like fishes, crabs, and all sorts of other animals. Babbos, Splash, and Finny. These three pals here were the best of friends and did everything together. One day, as the sun painted the sky golden, two hunters were hunting in the forest, but they got very tired and they were in search of water when they spotted the lake. They stood at the edge of the lake and noticed the many fish. Then the hunter exclaimed, "Instead of hunting and getting so tired, we can just lay a net, catch these fish and sell them for money." Babbos overheard this and felt a shiver of worry. Babbos hurried to Splash and Finny to warn them about the hunters' plan. "We should leave before the hunters come. It is safer that way. Let's leave through the stream." Babbos pleaded, but Splash and Finny laughed, thinking it was a silly idea. "Why leave this beautiful lake, Babbos? Nothing is going to happen." Babbos felt sad and said, "Okay, but I'm sorry. I will have to leave." That night, Babbos made a brave decision to swim away alone, hoping to find safety downstream. The next morning, Splash and Finny were still swimming and having fun when they suddenly heard loud noises and voices. It was the hunters. They quickly tried to hide, but it was too late. The hunters had cast their net, catching Splash in it, while Finny hid elsewhere. Splash struggled and its scales got scraped and got hurt, and Splash bled, and somehow Splash managed to break free, but it was a close call. Sadly, Finny got caught in between the rock and could not survive. While Babbos had reached the safety of the downstream waters, Splash felt sad to not have listened to Babbos and had lost Finny, one of its best friends. Splash realized that being careful and taking action before a big problem comes is much better than facing the problem later. And from that day onwards, Splash never forgot the value of being cautious and being prepared for what came its way.